Hello, my name is Finn Majlergaard. You may already know me. I'm sending you this video to tell you about a speech that I'm doing for the time being. It's about artificial intelligence and how it's going to affect the corporate cultures. The fact is that many of the jobs that we have today, they're going to disappear in the future, and new jobs will perhaps, eventually, hopefully, emerge from the new technologies. It's also a fact, and that is what we can see from all the companies that we are working with, that artificial intelligence impose a lot of fears on the organizations. So if you don't know how to create a culture that gives room for artificial intelligence and automation of processes, then you will have a lot of people leaving you. You will have a lot of people who are not effective, and you will have a lot of people who are afraid of embracing the new technology. In Guggen, we are specialized in these cultural transformations of corporations, and one of the things that we're working with a lot for the time being with companies and organizations around the world is how can we embrace artificial intelligence and workflow automation into the organizations. I have developed a speech about that can help companies overcoming the obstacles and get the priorities right when they're going through this cultural transformation. Because if you only implement artificial intelligence, if you only implement workflow automation without thinking about the consequences for the organization, it might end up being a really bad investment. The speeches I do them all over the world. And they can range from a 1-hour appetizer to a whole day workshop where we work interactively with that company or that organization on prioritizing the issues that they have to focus on. Please get in touch, and you can see the website here next to me. I will be really happy to get in touch with you and do a speech for your company or your client. Thank you very much.